Hey, let me show you how can you quickly fix the battery drain issue on your OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to start from the basic stuff, go into the settings, open the display and the brightness, and first turn on the dark mode. There we go. Next, it will be really useful if you actually change the automatic screen off time. So if you set this for 30 minutes and sometimes you just forget to turn off your screen manually, the phone will actually keep screen for 30 minutes. That's a lot and it will actually take a lot of your battery. So just remember to get 15 seconds or for example 30 seconds. Next, it's also useful to switch from the high refresh rate to automatic select or even to the standard to get 60 Hz. So it will also you'll also get longer battery life. Then we can also remember about controlling the brightness level. So if you don't need to get the 100%, for example, you are not outside, there's not like bright day, you can try to reduce the brightness. So you will also feel the difference. And next, we'll actually navigate into the Bluetooth. If you are not using headphones, earphones, or speaker, just remember to turn it off. And it works the same with the Wi-Fi. For example, if you are outside and you are only using the mobile data, just be sure that you switch off the Wi-Fi. And the same with the Wi-Fi. If you are in your house and you are using the Wi-Fi, just be sure that you actually turn off the mobile data, because right here we can find the 5G network. And as you know, the 5G network drains a lot of the battery. So just keep it in mind. Then go to the connection and the sharing. And now be sure that you turn off the quick connect. Then go to the print and turn off the default print service. Now we have to go back and we will have to scroll for security and the privacy. Then we will have to move for more security and privacy and go for the usage and diagnostics and get rid of it. Just simply turn it off. Next, we have to do the same into the Google section. So open it, then move into the devices and the sharing, go for devices. Now we have to just wait for the loading screen and turn off the scan for the nearby devices. Go back again, and when you are here, it's also very useful to open the location and remove Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. There we go. And also, if you are not using the navigation, you are not using Google Maps, just turn it off, because it's actually connecting into the satellite and taking your battery. If you are using animated wallpaper, I was actually using the TikTok live wallpaper. It's also recommended to simply get the stock wallpaper without any animation, because every video that is playing on your phone all the time, it's draining your battery. Then it's also useful to get rid of this Google Discover screen, because it's connecting into the Wi-Fi or mobile data, updating some news and draining your battery. So click here, then tap on the settings, move for other settings and be sure that you turn it off. And now as you can see, we don't have here any updates. Also, it's recommended to get rid of all unused apps, because sometimes these apps are actually working in the background, so they are taking the battery. So just be sure that you actually turn off and remove everything that you are not using for daily usage. Just like this, click uninstall. And the last thing that you can actually do, you can actually block access to the background mobile data. So you can actually go into the data usage, and here you can turn off the background data. So now this specific application will be not connecting into the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and it doesn't actually bring you some updates, which actually will improve your battery life. And the last tip will be also very useful. Just remember to use the power saving mode. There we go. You can even turn on the super saving mode. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.